Today we are going to study about the periodontium. Peri, this is all derived from Greek. These are Greek words. So peri means around and odont means tooth. So literally speaking, around the tooth. So what is a periodontium? Okay, so periodontium consists of specialized tissues. So these are specialized tissues that surround and support the teeth. Surround and support the teeth. Periodontium, these are group of specialized tissues that surround and support the teeth. So what is periodontology? Just a second while I erase all of this and So what is periodontology? Periodontology is the scientific study of the periodontium in health and disease. In health and disease. That is periodontology. So let me erase this part. Now what is your periodontium? What does it consist of? Periodontium. Imagine, you don't need to imagine, we have a diagram. So this is your gums, gingiva. This is the tissue around your teeth. Okay, so this gingiva is the first part of your periodontium. Okay, second, coming to cementum. This is your root and this is the cementum. So second part is your cementum. Third part is your periodontal ligament. So what is a periodontal ligament? It's basically attaching your tooth to the gingiva and the alveolar bone. This is the alveolar bone. So this is the third part is your periodontal ligament. And the fourth part is your alveolar bone. So this is the part of your bone which contains the tooth. So this is the alveolar bone. So your periodontium consists of four things. First is your gingiva, second is the cementum, third is the periodontal ligament, and fourth is your alveolar bone. Coming back to the topic, now what is the function of your periodontium? All these four things together, these are specialized tissues. So first function, what they do, what you can see here is this tooth is attached to these structures. Okay, so the first function is attachment. So they attach the teeth to the bony housing. Okay, and they also attach teeth to one another. Imagine here if there's another tooth. Alright, so first is function is attachment, second function is resistance. So basically this resists all the forces of occlusion and mastication. So basically if there will be forces from here, forces from above, so that the tooth doesn't displace, so it gives resistance. The third function is adaptation. They adapt to the changes in the external environment and wear and aging associated, and they are also having a function of remodeling and regeneration. These come in adaptation. Adaptation to age, external environment, etc. Let's just write here adapt. Fourth function, it plays a major role in the defense mechanism. So the defense mechanism, it is the internal defense mechanism which protects against any noxious stimulus. Example, bacteria. Okay, so these are the functions. Next, coming to the gingiva. Okay, so the first one is gingiva. Now, what is gingiva? According to the Glossary of Periodontal Terms, 2004 edition, it is a fibrous investing tissue. Basically, this tissue is quite fibrous. Okay, and it is an investing tissue because it is covering all these areas. Fibrous investing tissues which is covered by keratinized epithelium. So it is covered with a keratinized epithelium, and immediately it surrounds the tooth. See, it is surrounding the tooth. Here also you can see gingiva. So it's present around the tooth like this. Basically you can see. So it surrounds the tooth. Immediately surrounds the tooth. And it is also continuous with the periodontal ligament. This is your periodontal ligament, and it is continuous with the periodontal ligament and the mucosa of the mouth. Here we have also the mucosa of the mouth, the cheek, Imagine cheeks over here. So there is a mucosa of the mouth, and it is also continuous with the mucosa of the mouth. So here comes the definition. Your gingiva is a fibrous investing tissues, okay, which is keratinized. This is keratinized epithelium, and it immediately surrounds the tooth. It is continuous with the periodontal ligament and the mucosal tissues of the mouth.